SVA.
For the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Ava Point to Willowick. Effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick.
SVA.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and very winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid.
That was out of nowhere.
And listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television.
My 120, of course,
or
activates
internet
insanely
sources for
late.
the latest severe weather information. Repeating,
Severe thunderstorm watch number 376.
has been issued
Oh, it's 378.
until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick.
$378.